Alright gosh, going on the first test drive with me. But it's beautiful. Oh my god. All that work. 2 o'clock in the morning, staying up to get it all done. Creating a new wiring harness, finding the perfect battery pack, perfect combination. And here it is. So let's go on a little ride. This bike is dead quiet. Go inside, baby boy. I'm just so excited. You literally hear nothing except the tank rumbling. Holy shit. Oh, it drives so well. It's just so tiny and it handles so nice. Literally throws you back into the seat when you pull down the throttle. And these batteries that I have on here are 3 in parallel, which means that they can handle a ton of amps. And I only have this running at 500 amps. I can turn it up to 840 with this controller, which I'm afraid to do. So one thing that I need to do is I got the springs redone on it and the seals redone, but the guy never put oil in here. So I need to take and get that done, but wanted to finish up the bike first, and that's the last thing to do. What I find absolutely amazing about these cells that I'm using is that punching into 500 amps, there is no sag on the battery pack, so I can comfortably turn it up. But it just pulls and pulls. The acceleration is absolutely crazy. Ugh, Jesus. That is fun. Oh my God. Check that out. It literally threw me so far back in the seat, it separated the seat from the tank. The torque is insane. I want to bolt that down a little better. I'm really curious to see what my range is going to be on this. But God, this is so much fun. So much fun. And it's just so clean. It's everything I've wanted in a motorcycle and more. Tell me what you think, guys. I got a couple more that I'm building. Taking on a tour of the other ones that you guys, if you follow me, already saw. We got, I forget what someone called it, Blue Lightning. This is the one I took down in New Hope. Actually, I took them all to New Hope. There's the extremely widened and lowered blaster. I've got the fairings off because I'm doing a little work on it. But the one with the 4-speed transmission, and this is next. This is the reason I've been building like crazy. I want I have another motor coming with a bigger 4-speed transmission, and I'm leaving this just like this. I cut the back off it. And I think this is going to be probably the coolest looking rat rod bike I've ever seen. And I'm probably biased just because I'm building it, but I think it's awesome. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions about parts, how I did it, you're interested in any of the parts, motors, I can hook you guys up, batteries, whatever. Can definitely help you out. One of the things that I usually do whenever I sell one of these is or sell it is give tech support. So you don't really get that from buying it offline on what is that, AliExpress. Yeah, you can get it other places, but unless you know what you're doing and you've done this 100 times, they cost a fortune. This blue bike was the first bike I built inside that series. The silver one, the 2002. This is no exaggeration. I am probably about $50,000 into this bike. Just in research and development, mistakes and things like that. This one, because of how easy that transmission was to install, and even with building the battery pack myself, I was able to build this for probably about 7-8 grand. Most of the money is on the battery packs because that one has a huge range. This little guy cost me about 2 grand. It's the same setup you had to put on a motorcycle. It's just that it's on a quad. And it's a brushed motor. It's not brushless, so it's a little less efficient, but probably about $2,500 for the whole setup. So once again, I'm looking for other riders in PA, Philadelphia, who want to convert bikes, who have electric bikes, who have zeros. I don't care what it is. I want to get a gathering together and do some cruises. So with some electric bikes, it'll be the quietest cruise ever. So hit me up. Let me know if you have any questions.